Welcome to E-Centre at Redhill, the iconic and cannot be missed building along the busy Jalan Bukit Merah Main Road. This is a 220-unit project built on a B1 light industrial land. And today, I'm going to show you and share with you 9 critical factors why this is your investment choice. Let's see. Think for the tenant and you will be successful as a property investor. One of the top priority in the mind of a tenant is number 1, car park situation. In this building, there are car park on level 1 all the way up to level 4, ample car park up to 2 or 3 lots per unit. Second, connectivity from the main road for the staff. There are bus services that are going throughout all over Singapore without having to take MRT followed by bus. Third one is makan. So important for staff welfare, isn't it? In my building, E-Centre at Redhill, there is its own dedicated canteen where all your food choices are being settled, and when it rains, there isn't a need to call Grab, call McDonald's, and they don't come, isn't it? I'll show you the inside right now. What is your first feeling when you step inside this building with marble-cladded wall and high ceiling? Corporate image. Number 2, the maintenance. It's so critical when you enter the building, you must have the feeling that everything is well clean and well run, and that's how we feel good to run our business, isn't it? 人气 is the one that brings out the business energy. In this building, it's over 95% occupied, way above the national average. Among down here, you can see many notable brands. Some of them are what we call 联合国. Japanese company, Austrian company, Chinese company, and with this, it anchors the energy level, right? That down here we all will boom together. The next unique factor about this unit is its strategic location that's right next to the passenger lift, giving the unit convenience that is only 5 steps away and giving it a lot of visibility when your signboard is right next to your door, very near to the lift. The conference room is strategically placed right next to the entrance, thereby making it so convenient for the guests. Layout makes a business, especially when it enhances our tenants' workflow. In this particular layout, where it's rectangular in shape by nature, and the renovation is such that the rooms are all cleverly hugging on each side, particularly the director's room that is on the end, and then the manager's room and one storeroom are all hugging the left and the right side. At the end of it, each one of the rooms have its own dedicated use. Natural lighting is the aspect that brings in the welcoming feeling in all businesses. Take for example, in this unit, there are windows that's running across the entire width of the unit, and the full-length panel gives it the maximum natural lighting. And you know what? In this unit, it's a north-south facing. You get the very good natural lighting, and yet you don't have the hot afternoon sun that permeates into a unit. The director's room, which is the pulse in any business, you can see that it is of the right size, such that all the tables and cabinets are all very well placed, and very importantly, it's also hugging the corner, thereby giving it very good natural lighting to bring the brightness into the business. I'm so glad that all of you down here have experienced the 9 selling points of E-Centre at Redhill, and in this unit in particular. So as a property investor, you know what you want, and I'm very certain this one fulfills your choice. My name is Choo. My contact number is right here. Feel free to contact me anytime. I'll be happy to show and ready to close for you.